Hey everybody, I am back with a video, and it's not a nail video, but it's actually a K-pop related video, so I am going to be doing this video regardless. If you do not like K-pop, I don't know why you're here in the first place, because I do a lot of K-pop nail art, but if you don't like it, you don't want to see this stuff, then I would highly suggest you to click the exit button. But anyways, I have this package from Choice Music LA, and this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the cheapest shipping method, and it took forever. I ordered on the 28th of August, and it was the 7th that I got some tracking update for the first time, and now it is the 18th, so it's been a really long time. It's been 3 weeks, and I'm excited to get it, but I'm also pretty sure something is missing here, so I would have to contact them. So literally, I have no idea. I have like really mixed feelings about this. So it's, well, you're gonna see what I got very soon. Lord. Oh my god. Okay, so under the invoice, there's something stuck to the bubble wrap. That would be this sticker that says Choice Gang. I'm gonna take this tape off. So there's that. I asked for posters. If it didn't come with posters, I'm gonna be very sad because this is a very small box. Oh my god, all the posters are folded. I think I got... Anyways, we'll open this. Oh my god, it's the set. This is crazy. Oh. I actually already have 2 albums. I'm gonna get those later. Oh my god, there's a lot of bubble wrap. Whoa. Oh my god, yes, I love that. Okay. Whoa! Whoa, why do I get so much stuff? There's like stickers and like just a bunch of stuff. Are the posters on the... Oh my god, the posters are not in here. Or are they? I have no idea. I have to check my invoice for that. There are a bunch of things in here, just like their own printed like card thing. So we have a Suga one, then this is Namjoon, this is Jin, J-Hope. Wow, we have a lot, like a variety, guys. Then some stickers. There's S version Namjoon, then S version Jungkook. Then, I forgot what version this is. L version, Jimin. L version, Taeyang. F version, Suga. And what is this? This is E version, Taeyang. So, there are those. And then there's S version, Jimin. And E version, Namjoon. So it came with a lot of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and read this stuff first. Okay, so there's like this little note here. It says unfolded posters are shipped separately in hard carrier tubes via USPS first class. If you ordered an album with unfolded poster and only received 1 item, please wait 5 to 7 business days for the rest of your order to be delivered. If it still does not arrive, feel free to contact us and we'll do our best to assist you. So it does not come together, so I cannot show you guys the posters at this moment, but if you guys want me to do a part 2 of this haul, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead. Well, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to open this after moving this bubble wrap off to the side. But these are the albums without posters, and yeah, so I thought they had taken all of the photo cards out, but actually no, and I have the full set, which is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with S. I actually have an S and an E already, and this is hella heavy, guys, so yes. I don't really now I'm gonna open it. I have a little needle tool that I use for crafting, so I'm just gonna open it. Like I'm kind of, I'm like really nervous, like who I'm gonna get, but excited at the same time. So let's go ahead and open it. I have literally so much junk on my table. It's like insane. And like I have no space to put this stuff, so I feel kind of bad opening in this area. Oh well, whatever. So here's our version S. So let us open it. I already have a S version Jungkook photo card, and let's see what I get in this one. Oh my god, the CD's not cracked. The first one I got, fun fact, has a cracked CD. So it's the same album. Oh my god, why is everything in here? Okay. Shall I show you guys the book? I've already seen this because I have one, so I'm just gonna quickly flip through them because it's not my first time seeing it, so I'm sorry my reactions are dull or I have no reaction. Just because like I kind of studied the photos when I got my first album, if that makes any sense. And here's the second CD. If you didn't know, it comes with A and B. So let us open. Oh, I got a different one. Very awesome. Okay, so oh my god, I hate it when that happens. There's actually some like chipping. Anyways, I got an RM or Namjoon photo card, and there's the survey thing, the stickers. I'm gonna have so many stickers by the end of this. And then I have like their, what is this, audition thing? The notes. Because I have the S and the E already, I actually noticed that the notes are different. I noticed that from some other person's like unboxing video, which I will try to find and give them credit, but anyways, it's kind of far from the camera, but yeah. So those are the notes. It says Hwayeon Yeonhwa up here. Okay, so that's version S. I'm gonna go ahead and open version E, and let's see which one we get. Version E, here we go. Huh. I can't seem to get it. Okay, there we go. Opening these gives me a little bit of anxiety. So now I have like wait, how many S's do I have? No, I only have 2 S's. This is my second E. Taking the sleeve off. I'm not gonna go through the sleeve because it's like the same as every K-pop album. So put that off to the side. Version E, and I have seen this one as well. So I'll show you guys. I forgot to take the CD out. Oh my god, I'm so bad at doing these videos because this is my first time doing it, and I have a lot of like hard lights on it. You know what I mean? Like they're not soft, so you can see it kind of nicely. So, oh my god. Okay, so it's stuck in between the photos. So let me take this stuff out. Should I reveal who I got first? Okay. Anyways, the first thing is the survey card. I got a Jin card. Oh my god. So I got a Jin card. Same stuff. This is notes version E. I'll actually go ahead and compare that to version S. I'm just gonna open it to random one. This is Yoongi's. And it's the same. Okay. This is also the same. So maybe we just have to flip to J-Hope's. See, they are different. So same name. Oh my god, it's so far away. Same name, it's Hoseo. And then the side is August 13, year 22. And then on this side, you can see the date is different. So for, what is this, version S, it's March 2nd, year 22. And then for E version, it's May 12th, year 22. Here's version E, which is such a beautiful concept. And I've read like comments on YouTube and Twitter about how the person that put them in this bubble concept deserves a raise, and I definitely believe that this bubble concept like looks better than like this. I feel like the poster should have been like more of this bubble whimsical fairy-ish look, but the poster is this, and I actually have the poster for that. But yeah, I really like this one, and yeah, oh my god, I can't show you guys. There we go. Then we have version L, which I have not opened a single copy of, so I'm really excited about this one. And I wouldn't say that my reactions to the previous versions were not genuine, but they weren't so exciting because it was my first time opening it, you know what I mean? But I can tell you, when I first opened version S, which is the first one I got, I was very excited. Oh my god, can I open this? Okay. Oh, ripping away this plastic is also sad. Okay, we'll see which photo card we get. Yeah, anyways, this is version L. I'm so excited for this one. It's a little, you can see this, but there's a little mark. So version L, are you guys ready? Anyways, that's the CD. Here's the CD. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, we have to look at this. I got a lot of Jin stuff. I'm surprised. Okay, anyways. I got Jin. So let's look through. Oh, I found the stickers here. And everything. So that's Jungkook, obviously. Then we have Jin. Literally the same expression. We have Jaeho. Suga, I really like this one actually. Then we have V, RM, Jimin. Yeah, I really like the Jimin one. Anyways, the bigger photos. This is the poster that I've yet to get. I actually really like this poster. Here's the final one. I'm quite sad to be opening this one, but it is the last one, and I don't really know. To be honest, I haven't really looked at the photo card on like Twitter or whatever, just so I could surprise myself. So I'm going to open this now. And did I mention that it's really hot in my room? I don't think so, but it is. I can open it. Oh my god. So here's the final F version. This is my first F version. I might be buying more albums, we will see, because albums are not cheap, but I did get all this for $74. So anyways, let's look at version F. Oh my god, I'm like so nervous. Here are the notes. Oh my god, I can't see which one it is, but we got a Jungkook one. Oh, that's really cute. Oh my god, it has a lot of marks on the card. Okay, so now it's time to take out the stickers and look at the photo book. This is like my favorite concept actually. I just really like this blue. I want it on my nails. Oh yes, I do like this. I like this tie. It's like, it's really cute. Yeah, it's really cute. Really cute. Oh, I love the ties. I don't know if you can see it, but really random, but that could be a really cool design to make. Oh, this is so cute. I'm dying. This is so cute. This is like one of the cutest photos out of like all the albums. Anyways, I'm gonna flip through them very quickly now. This is the poster. Love it. Okay, so let's try to get organized here. So this has been my BTS Love Yourself Answer album set unboxing video. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a like. I wanted to film this video just because it's related to the designs I will be posting about. It's mostly a K-pop slash nail art channel. So yes, if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe. And if you like these videos, then let me know, because then maybe I'll continue doing them. But for now, that's it. Bye, everyone!